Hello everyone. Before starting the presentation, I would like to tell about the presenter, myself Asmat. I have 12 years of experience in technology sector, that is Oracle applications. So now I'm moved towards analytics. So let's start the presentation. We are hearing the terms like big data, data science, data analytics, etc. All data related terms nowadays. And we are also hearing the words like analytic engineer is in high demand with skyrocketing salaries. So that's the reason everyone wants to jump into the world of data analytics. Learning data science, Python, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. And why this all hype? Why? Because now the data is the new oil and data is coming from the in huge volumes from variety of sources like social media, mobile phones, data servers, etc., with so much speed, velocity. So first we'll see what is data science. And data is the information, numbers, and the collected information which is used to help decision making. And it comes in an electronic form. It can be stored and used by data scientists. And what is the science? It's the study of the structure and behavior of the physical world, measuring, doing experiments, development of theories to describe the results of these activities. And there are six basic steps here. The first step would be the hypothesis definition, understanding the problem and ask questions. Like first we need to understand the problem, why, what is the problem, why it's happening, and we need to ask questions like how it can be solved, how it has occurred and when it can occur, etc. The next step goes to the data acquisition. So here we collect the raw data from different sources related to the problem. After collecting the data, we go to the step 3. Here we do the exploratory data analysis. In short terms, it's called as EDA. Here we analyze and do exploration of data and visually do some patterns, etc. And then, based on these patterns and visualization and data analysis, we go to the step 4. We do the model building here. We make a model of that particular problem, how this problem was occurring with some equations, etc. And here we do the validation after the model creation. After model is created, we go to the step 5 where we do this model deployment. Here, this step is called as data product deployment, the final creation of data products. Now, this model is ready for use. And using this model, do some, we create some insights, we create some conclusions, alternative options, etc. So then we go to the step 6 where we communicate these results to the stakeholders, different stakeholders, and we put in front of them, and they validate the usefulness, and sometimes they also implement this solution. So why this data science? Now from cancer research to online product recommendations, data science and machine learning today are not only driving billions of dollars in economic value, solving the problems which we only imagined in science fiction. So every company in every industry like e-commerce, healthcare, airlines is trying to leverage this data science to cut costs, automate things, and build amazing products and services. So there are more jobs in data science than the available talent. There is a demand supply gap. So this is making favor of professionals in demanding skills, providing them more choices, faster career growth, and higher salaries. When we look at the IT workforce of 3 to 4 million in India, there are hardly 8 to 10,000 data scientists. And there's a currently requirement of 2 lakh plus data scientists in India alone. So data scientists are being hired not only by IT companies but by banks, healthcare companies like Novartis, e-commerce companies like Flipkart. So every company and industry wants to make smarter decisions. So what the data scientist job requires? It requires mathematical skills, computer science, domain expertise, data processing knowledge, machine learning knowledge, and there should be an art of storytelling and reading human psychology. So data scientists are recruited by big companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook. So now these are also going to expanded into the small medium companies also. So this shows like there are big opportunities in data science, but organizations are finding hard to recruit data science because it's a combination of many areas: problem solving ability, machine learning, application of data analysis to drive business results. And it's a mindset of constantly learning new things and being curious. Let's see the India's analytic industry key facts. Like according to the NASCOM, it's like analytic revenue is $2 billion generated in the financial year 2017, and it's growing by 8x times by 2025. And presently we have nearly 600 analytic firms in India. And according to the survey, there were like 1.9 lakhs of shortage of data scientists in US alone by 2018. And there are around 2.7 million number of data science analytic jobs posting globally by 2020. And these are some of the new snippets. You can see here they're like there's lack of uh, data scientist knowledge talent available, and there are more number of like nearly 1 lakh job openings, and every industry is trying to catch these data analytics advantages. And also we can see like India's first data analytics park to come up in Telangana, Hyderabad city. Now we'll go and see like what data engineers and data scientists they work together to provide insights to business critical decisions. So their skills may might widely overlap, but the two positions are becoming more and more distinct. Now you can see here like data engineers they mostly work on database systems, data APIs, data modeling, extract, transform, load tools like ETL tools. When it comes to data scientists, they are more working on predictive modeling, stats and max, machine learning, and storytelling and visualization. Okay. So let's say what tools are used for data engineers or data scientists, what they use. So you can see here for data engineers, they use Oracle, Cassandra, Hive, etc. And when it comes to data scientists, they use R, SAS, Python, etc. And the integration of these two tools, you can see C Sharp, Storm, Hadoop. They do the integration of database side and data analysis side. So what the modern data scientist? It's considered as a success job of the 21st century. I think there like everywhere, every newspaper, media, everywhere you're hearing the word success job of 21st century. And it's a mixture of multidisciplinary skills, that is its intersection of mathematics, statistics, computer science, communication and business. And it's very hard to find this type of data scientist. So here you can see like some like maths and statistics, what exactly you need, like machine learning, experimental design, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, optimization, gradient descent and variance. When it comes to programming and database knowledge, you need to have scripting language knowledge like Python and R, database knowledge like SQL and NoSQL, Hadoop and Hive, and other cloud services. When it comes to domain knowledge and soft skills, you should be passionate about the business, curious about data, problem solver, strategic, creative, innovative, and collaborative. And the next thing is like communication and visualization, which plays a major part. That is, you should be able to engage with the senior management. You should have storytelling skills, translate data driven insights into decisions and actions. And you should have knowledge of any visualization tools like Tableau. So thank you for attending our session. Any queries, let us know. And we welcome you to this world of analytics at TransMaxica, and we provide trainings in Python and R programming, online and classroom training. So you can, if you're interested, you can reach us at this mobile number and at this mail ID. Thank you.